From Aprilia Racing Engineering and MotoGP technology comes the most extreme, high-performance and exclusive Aprilia racing bike ever. The RSV4 XTrenta. Born to celebrate 30 years since Aprilia's first world title, it is produced in a limited and numbered series of 100 units. Starting with the engine, which reaches the extraordinary peak of 230 horsepower. This is thanks to an increase in the compression ratio, which works in symbiosis with a specific titanium and carbon exhaust system created by SC Project. The Sprint filter air filter using MotoGP and Formula 1 specification materials completes the equipment. A full titanium silencer whose design is derived directly from the unit used in MotoGP will be available as an option. In light of the high performance and heavy-duty track use, the water and oil radiators are Superbike-derived Talio Techno Racing. The performance of the Italian V4 is managed by a specially calibrated Magneti Marelli control unit, while the transmission features a PBR-branded titanium sprocket. The electronic suite is controlled by a Jet Prime racing panel, while accessories include footpegs, handlebar levers and a CNC fuel cap by Spider. All the parts of the carbon fairing are made by Pan Compositi, using the same processes used in MotoGP, and incorporates both the newly designed front wings, capable of guaranteeing more load and at the same time less drag, and the brand new rear wings. On the tail, and also under wing on the swing arm, which increases the aerodynamic load by 25% while reducing drag by 4%. The bike's rigorous chassis is refined with Olin suspension. The billet steering plate is exclusive to Aprilia Racing. The braking system is the top available on the market, Brembo branded, consisting at the front of GP4 MS billet monoblock calipers and 330mm T-drive discs. The forged magnesium Marchesini M7R Genesi rims fit Pirelli Diablo SBK slick tires in sizes 120x70 and 200x65, with SC1 compound front and SCX compound rear. The wheel weight reduction is around 2 kg compared to the standard, and the total dry weight of the bike is only 166 kgs.